Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Well, me not even know what time, but whatever time is it. Hold on. Hold on, I'll be back. Yeah, good morning. It's morning. It's after 10 o'clock. And it is raining cats and dogs outside. And Ben is grateful because I'm washing and me now wet up myself to go take up clothes off a line because I hang out clothes and the rain a come. You know them way there? So me make some line outside. Oh, so see what's up there, people. See what's up there. Hanging. Ah, my God, what a blessing. Listen, nobody at all don't understand if you never have experienced a rain of fall heavily. But this closed, so I'm sure now. It really is closed. Yeah? See that? So rain or fall, I am washing. Me take up some of the mat them. Me take up some of because this mat is almost dry. But I took them up before the rain. And of course, I'm happy because where's it? I'm happy because I'm inside washing and I don't have to go outside. Yeah, I don't have to go outside to pick up clothes. Oh, so the other mat here, that's the other mat, and I don't have to go outside and pick up clothes, run coming back, you know all of that. That thing. Run go out the door, pick up clothes, come back, and get wet up, and then something there. We can just inside and wash, and yeah. We can just inside and wash, and yeah. We can just inside and wash, and just know say my clothes then can stay on the line on the veranda and me good. Yeah, so let me see how much line me put up. Let's show you. So this are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. See? It's a lot of rain. Hey, hey. It's a lot of rain. Hey, hey. Mr. People, I'm so happy. So, me wash out a portion already. So, I have some more to wash. Me soon done wash. What I'm going to do though is to, when that set finish wash, hang them out and go get some rest, right? So, see already. All these wash, them not properly dry, but when you spin them, you can always put them. I need some more of these people. I need purple. I need all colors because them so comfortable and nice. So yeah, rain. See there? A lot of rain. Yeah, lots of rain. And there's no leak inside here. So far so good, because I would see it already. There's no leak inside here. So far so good. But inside here, inside up there, when the rain is all done, I've got work to do. See, I'm listen, don't play with me. I have no time to joke about, have things to do, but Yeah, it is finally that moment. I am washing inside, hanging inside, and I don't have to be stressed about it. You understand? The guy supposed to come today, come set up the water for me. The guy supposed to come set up the water in the machine and other plumbing, little plumbing thing, but he never come. So next time, yeah, yep. So for the meantime, let me tell you some people. I don't know, with a grateful heart, you understand? So I could open these windows and let some fresh air come in. So with a grateful heart, I'm thankful. Let's turn this baby on and put that. Alright. Oh, I can actually put it, let me go for that thing there and come back. So if I do it, you can do it too. Yeah. Just make up your mind, say I'll go work. I'll go work hard here. Just make up your mind. Say I'll go work hard. Nobody feel tired though, but we move. Alright, so you're going to put this down. Press that word is, no, we're not spin. We want to wash, rinse. Yeah, we want to rinse. Just rinse alone. Rinse and spin. Yay, I'm getting there. Don't play with me. I want more water. Oh, it's a let out. Do I? Outside. Rinse. Maybe I need more water now. No! This is letting out. Stop! Jesus. It's a let out. I rinse more and to rinse, brother. I want to take off the rings. Let us a spin. Wash, no. I want it to rinse. But it's a rinse and spin. Oh boy. I just put some water in there. I don't want all of that water to go out. Alright, so let me wash it over. Let's see, wash. So apparently I have to wash it. So come up, wash. Let me say wash. Okay. Go ahead and wash and then we spin. I'm getting the hang of things. Don't worry about it. But I just wanted to rinse and spin because I washed them already and the water run out. And so I put more water in there for it to rinse. So maybe I have to just, after it finish this washing, just spin it. So it, anyways, we move. So I just spin it. And then after I spin it, it stops. I hang them out. Yay, because I have more line space. Don't be playing. Yep, so I heard the sound. Let's see what's happening now. Oh, these are all spin and done. So I'm going to hang them out now. Let's see where I'm gonna put them. I have these to finish, but I just want to wash most of my working clothes because you know how that goes. I don't even know what to wear to work tomorrow because these won't dry. But I'm not worried about that, because the point is they are washed. Washed. I don't know, so I can't talk properly already. So if I even mess up with my English and my grammar, I don't know about that. Don't even think about correcting me. Because as I said, wait, my first coin is in the machine. I tell myself so I don't want no coins get away in the machine, so I'm going to check all my pockets and stuff. And I'm so short. Let's hit the lights. Yeah. From the first day. So I'm gonna put these clothes in. I wonder if them wash good. People they wonder. You know when they wash good how they look? Let me check. Let's check. Because I don't see no scripts. I don't see no scripts. The thing about this, I don't even have to use the clothespin if I don't want to. God is good. So me say if me did have one tank right there, so it would have full up from last night till now. A tank. God, I need a tank. So that tank could have used for the machine. You understand? All right, now what else I can? Okay, people, I'll be back. I'll be back with nothing. I joke. I soon come back with whatever I have to vlog about. Should I put all the? It's coming down. I might not even wash everything today. Somebody's moving in the rain. I'm happy it's not me. I'm happy I'm not moving in the rain. No, the people that buy goods, them buy them so far. That is the thing, when you're not. That's a love. Oh my, like it all drop door. And that not look good. Oh gosh. Blaze, blaze, I go up. Two one.
What?
2-1. 6 minutes to 1. Yeah. I can't wake up early.
And we wake up like 7 minutes to 6. The 7 minutes to 6 is we wake up from 3 o'clock and I want something from the food.